Hello everybody. Do you know why I'm proud of Jean? Because she is traveling out of the country to Hong Kong all by herself. Hay naku!
When you're ready, tell the one who really loves you.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Jean and John channel. Well, I'm back in Toronto, Canada. And I'm just driving home right now and just want to update you on another event that is taking place. Jean was supposed to go to Hong Kong yesterday, but her flight was canceled because of Typhoon Yagi. Yeah, Typhoon Yagi is making a big destruction all across Southeast Asia. So she's rescheduled to go on Sunday. And the reason why she's going to Hong Kong is just to complete her voyage. Back in April, she went to Japan. Now she's going to Hong Kong because the whole objective here is to try to get her to come here to Canada. So it was suggested that if you show the government and the officials that you have left the country, meaning the Philippines, and you've come back to the Philippines, to your job, to your family, to your kids, whatnot, then it shows that you're not going to escape and you're not going to stay there, unlawfully. So basically, it's going to look good in the passport. She's traveled to Japan, she's traveled to Hong Kong, and that's going to help her chances of being accepted for a tourist visa for Canada in the near future. So that's the idea. So I'll update you a little bit later on how things are going. And just to add that she is definitely going with her daughter, Princess. Yes, little Bambini is also going with her. So hopefully they'll have fun and hopefully it'll be a memorable journey. And hopefully the experience will all be so loving. So, coming back soon. Cheers.
Nakapasa ka sa immigration. Ay, natama na. Hi guys! Oh my God! Finally, boarding na kami to Hong Kong with. Yan, kasama ko yung anak ko, guys. Grabe talaga yung kaba ko kanina. Hindi talaga ako nag-vlog from galing sa house ko hanggang sa pag-check-in, actually bawal sa immigration. So ngayon na boarding na kami, waiting na lang kami. Ang boarding time is 6:30. So ayun, dito lang kami waiting. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala na magta-travel ako out of the country nang wala si Jan. Nang ako lang, tapos ayun, kasama ko pa yung aking anak. Si Jan, excited din talaga. Mas parang excited pa talaga siya kaysa sa akin, kaya lagi siyang nag-aantay ng update. So our boarding time is at 6:30. Ang oras natin ngayon is 5:45. So waiting pa din kami. Ang aga-aga namin nandito sa airport, mga 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. nandito na kami ng anak ko. Wala pang tulog, pagod pa yan. Welcome to Hong Kong! Are you excited? Welcome to Hong Kong! Welcome to Hong Kong, mga love!
Everyone, Cebu Pacific
So finally here, we
Hong
just
Kong.
landed. Guys, nandito na kami, nakalabas na kami. So, nahanap na namin kung saan ang papuntang immigration. Oh my God. Arrow, arrow. Immigration is over there. Immigration, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Both side. Both side. Both sides, sabi niya, both side. Both sides. So, it's either left or right. So, yan, kailangan lang nating magtanong. So, para hindi tayo maligaw. So, ang una naming gagawin ngayon, immigration, tapos SIM card. Kasi kailangan nating magpalit ng SIM card para, ano, kasi si Jan, nag-aalala na yun si Jan, I'm sure. Tara na, hanapin natin yung SIM card. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami bibili ng SIM card. Saan banda ba? Guys, so kakatapos ko lang buy ng aming new SIM card. Aking SIM card lang pala kasi yung anak ko 15 years old, hindi pa siya pwede. She's not allowed daw. Kailangan mga 18 pataas ang pwedeng mag-buy ng SIM card. So ako lang. So ang SIM card nila, it cost 78 pesos. Ano na yun, magandang data na yun for 1 week. Kasi 4 days lang naman kami dito. So kung gusto nyong dito lang kayo pumunta sa 1010. 1010, yan. So yan, nagbebenta sila dyan ng SIM card. Sila na rin ang nag-aayos. Okay, so now let's go to buy tayo ng ticket to hotel na. It's either bus or train. So magtatanong pa ako dito sa information. Ayan yung bus. Nak, hindi na tayo nakaihi. Susundan lang natin yung arrow. Bus. Here, let's go. Itong bus na to, going to sa Central Hong Kong. So, yun lang yung susundan natin. Ayan, maraming bus. Thank you. Wow. Punta tayo sa taas. Ganda dun sa taas, maganda yung view. Kaya mo ba? Try natin sa taas. Kaya sa taas kami. Yan, dito na tayo sa bungad. Guys, nandito kami sa rooftop. Pinili namin yung rooftop para mas maganda yung view. Makita namin yung view. So, hindi pa siya ganun puno. So, bumili ako ng ticket. 42 each. So
Yung sa inyo, te.
Buti na lang may Pinay tayo ditong mabait na tumulong sa amin kasi lumampas kami sa bus. Hanggang doon ka lang talaga dapat? Ay, hello, thank you. Ito lang siya din, iikutin lang.
Ikot-ikot lang yan.
Guys, mabuti na lang. Nagpa-vlog kasi ako. Ay, mabuti na lang nahanap namin si ate. Ang bait niya. Hinatid niya kami dito sa Central talaga. Tapos yun, ang daming ang mga Pinay, oh.
Mas lalo dyan sa itaas. Sana nakita mo.
Ayan, oh, mga Pinay. Kasi Sunday ngayon. Nag-aano sila. Pag Sunday holiday. Grabe. Lumampas kami ng sinasakyang bus kanina. Kaya ito, naglakad pabalik. Ay. Nakarating lang namin dito sa hotel. It's 2 o'clock na ng hapon. Ang tagal ng biyahe namin, tapos naligaw pa kami. Kasi nilakad lang namin to. May nag-guide naman sa amin, yung friend ko. Kaso nga, naligaw, lumampas kami, kaya naglakad kami pabalik. Tapos, itong hotel na to, nilakad lang din namin, pasikot-sikot. Kasi mahirap mag-taxi, sobrang mahal. At saka, nakakalito din yung daan talaga. Ito yung view namin. Nandito kami sa 12th floor. So, yeah, from the airport, sobrang nakakapagod. Wala pa kaming lunch. Ang kinain lang namin kanina ng anak ko, sandwich. Bumili kami sa 7-Eleven sa airport. Tapos alas 2. Hindi kami lalabas muna kasi pagod talaga kami. Pagod na yung anak ko, sabi niya, pagod na ako. Magpapahinga muna kami. Sabi ni Jan kanina, pagdating niya sa hotel, just take 1 hour nap and then go out, explore, have fun, ganun. Pero maya na lang kami lalabas siguro mga 6, mga dinner time kasi pagod talaga. It's my first time traveling out of the country na without Jan. So ako lang talaga tong mag-isa, kaya nakaka-proud din sa sarili ko kahit na nakakapagod. Ganito talaga kasi nung nagbiyahe din kami, nagbakasyon din kami last time ni Jan sa Japan. Kasi kapag bago ka sa isang lugar, mangangapa ka talaga. Basta wag ka lang mahiyang magtanong. Tapos thankful din ako kanina kasi may tumulong sa akin na Pinay din. Talagang hinatid niya kami hanggang doon sa may Central. So from Central, naglakad na lang kami. Inikot-ikot namin yung mga kalye hanggang sa makarating kami dito sa aming hotel. So, ayun guys, thank you all so much for watching and see you Hong Kong!